Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved use Peugeot vehicle. Introducing the Peugeot 3008 PureTech Active Premium Plus that does come complemented in the modernised Nimbus Grey paintwork alongside housing your 1.2 petrol engine. It is the ideal spacious family upgrade. Alongside housing your manual transmission, you do also have plenty of advanced features with enhanced visibility with your eco LED headlights, complemented on the rear by your stylish design as well. You do also have your 18-inch alloy wheels, and for further protection you will find your power folding wing mirrors and even your sensors and a 180-degree colour reversing camera. The boot offers plenty of space with a 520 litre capacity to accommodate travel needs. Moving inside, you will find a full cloth trim for absolute comfort all round, with your central climate vents and fitted ISOFIX points. Moving into your front, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for added convenience, with access to your Peugeot iCockpit, central touch display, and again, you do have your very comfortable full cloth trim on your front seats. So to seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, alongside your options to navigate around your digital cockpit with all of your vital driving data in one place. And for enhanced performance, you do also have your speed limiter and cruise control options. Moving across, you will find a variation of radio stations to keep you endlessly entertained, alongside your Bluetooth connection compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick access to vital driving apps. Alongside your driving functions, you do also have your parking sensors and reversing camera. This does come complete with your 180 view and even your zoom view mode to get into tighter spots with ease, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. For a desired temperature, you do even have your on-screen dual climate control, followed just below by further climate options and main driving functions, followed by a handy charging pocket and cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.